Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are back with the ORAIMO Watch 5 or the ORAIMO OSW-805. So this is the second video review. This is the second video review of the ORAIMO Watch 5. And on this video, we are going to explore the menus and features of the Watch 5. So if you are interested to see the offered features for the smartwatch, watch this video. And again, if you find this video useful, like, share, and subscribe. Alright, so let's start and explore the ORAIMO Watch 5, the OSW-805 model. As you can see here, we do have a sporty design, simple with a PC body material, pogo pin, magnetic charging, quick release pin here with a flexible silicone strap. Here we do have a watch face, so it is also preloaded with several watch faces. Okay, so this is the default watch face for the wearable. Again, so this one, okay, 2.01 inch TFT LCD. For the UI, we have the settings here and the options, weather and other apps here. We have the widgets or the cards, and on the bottom part we have the notifications. To access the main menu, just press the power button. Please take note that this is just a power and home button. It's not working as a rotary button. To show the menus, just press the power button here, and we have the different menus. We have the sports functions. I think it has at least more than 50 sports functions, if I'm not mistaken. We'll explore this, we'll check. Okay, then we also have here the workout records, automatic activity record. We have AI assistant, voice assistant, push notifications. We have the Bluetooth call, music control function. We have the heart rate monitoring, sleep monitoring. We also have here the blood oxygen monitoring. This one, I don't know if this is a blood pressure or a, let's see, 30, 50. I think this is for the what do you call this one? I think this feature is for your stress. Okay, and this one measure what? Measuring what? Okay, so I'm not familiar with other features here. So this one, we have pressure measurement. I don't know if what kind of pressure. Okay, blood pressure. Let's see. Maybe this one is the stress. Okay, we'll check. We have the breath training, remote camera control. We have weather report, calendar, alarm, stopwatch, timer. We also have a calculator here, find phone, flashlight. We have gaming. How many games do we have? We have at least 2 here. We have these settings. On the settings, we have menu view. We have at least list, semicircle, hexagon, 6-box grid, and plane, kaleidoscope, grid, Skyper, honeycomb, and waterfall. So there's a lot of options for the menu style. Then we also have display and brightness. It also includes a screen time. Let's increase it to 6 seconds. We have raise to wake. Let's activate. And okay, we have at least 30 seconds for the screen time. Raise to wake. Battery, sound and vibration here. We have the QR code for the app. General here, we have off, restart, reset, and the last one we have the about. So we have the ORAIMO Watch 5. Okay, press. I don't like the, seems like it's hard to return to the previous UI or app when you swipe. The screen, seems like the screen is not that really responsive when you swipe from left to right. Okay, anyway, I'm going to test the smartwatch in the next few days. We'll see. Okay, maybe my fingers just oily, or maybe the screen is a bit oily. Okay, we'll see. So here are the workouts for the sports functions for the ORAIMO Watch 5. I will also check if how many sports functions is included in the wearable. Long press to stop. As you can see here, seems like the screen is not that. You have to press the power button and just to go back. Swipe. Okay, really have to tap on properly. It's not soft touch, I think. Okay, so far it is a sports smartwatch loaded with the basic and advanced features, especially on sports, health, as well as communication. So it has support for push notifications as well as the Bluetooth call. And that's it for the review of the menus and features. Again, if you have any questions regarding the wearable, drop a comment below. To check on the specifications of this smartwatch, you can check our previous video. Again, like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye!